Astronautical engineers design and build spacecraft, satellites, and systems used in space exploration. They work on everything from rocket engines and navigation systems to the materials that can survive the extreme conditions of space. In the UK, astronautical engineers might be involved in launching satellites, supporting space missions, or developing new space technologies. The job involves a lot of problem solving, maths, and working with high-tech equipment and software. In the UK, a graduate astronautical engineer can expect to earn between £28,000 and £35,000 a year. With more experience, this can rise to around £40,000 to £60,000. Senior engineers working on large projects or in specialist areas may earn even more. Salaries can also depend on the company, location, and whether they work in research, industry, or for a space agency. To become an astronautical engineer, a strong background in maths and science is essential. Most people take A-levels in subjects like maths, physics, and further maths, then go on to study aerospace or astronautical engineering at university. Some roles may require a master's degree or PhD, especially in research. Good computer skills, attention to detail, and a strong interest in space are also important for this career.